This little spring-loaded hose goes from the bottom of the one bowl over to the bottom of the other bowl. Looks like the side that there's a stinking bug on my back. The side that the throttle is on is how the one piece goes, and then the T piece goes to the opposite side of the throttle. That looks like where the main fuel line hooks up. And then just next to it, we got this other little snake that looks like it probably goes to the air breather box. Comes around the back here, and I think these guys, no, they don't pivot. And then, of course, we've got the choke that comes in through the throttle side on this, and then comes into the other side over here. The choke. And then got some little emissions control lines that go right in on the very top of the carbs, some like vacuum emissions controls. But it looks like that's it. So 3 hose connections, fuel, probably the breather box, and then some little emissions control, and then the choke, which is right over here, comes over to the throttle side. So I'll just take a minute, stare at that.